Hi, hello everyone! It's me again and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lutong Sari Sari TV. Kumusta po kayo? I hope everyone's life is becoming better and better. Today mga kalutong Sari Sari TV, another new recipe na naman po ang nais ko pong ibahagi sa inyo, at ito po ay papangalanan nating stir-fried chicken with chili bean sauce. Paano nga po ba magluto ng masarap na stir-fried chicken with chili bean sauce na pasok sa panlasa ng ating mga employer o natin? My employer loves tasty and quick stir-fry dishes, so this stir-fried chicken dish is one of my employer's favorite. Quick to get done and also perfect to go with a bowl of steamed rice. These simple secret ingredients in the marinade will keep your favorite chicken meat nice, smooth, delicious and yummy. Hope you all like this dish as much as we do. Chili bean sauce is available at grocery stores or Asian stores. Leave the seeds inside the red chili if you want it hot, or simply skip the red chili if you have small kids at home. When it comes to making this stir-fried chicken with chili bean sauce, the good thing is you can use either chicken breast, thigh, or legs. You may pick whatever you prefer or according to your liking. Either one works well wonderfully. Kung nagustuhan nyo po ang video na to, please don't forget to like and follow my YouTube channel Lutong Sari Sari TV. Thank you for watching. Sana po nakatulong po ang video na to sa inyo at sana po may natutunan po kayong bago. Most of all po, sana supportan nyo po ang next video na akin pong ibabahaging muli sa inyo. Lagi po nating pakatandaan, stay safe, stay healthy, to stay wealthy po.